going to do Suryanamaskar, a Sun Salutation. This is if you are a beginner. So bringing your hands to prayer position at your heart center. Inhale, we're going to raise the arms up, and exhale as you gently stretch back. Inhale up, exhale as you fold forward, relax your head, bend your knees. Placing the palms flat on your mat if you can, stepping the right foot back, lowering the knee gently down on the mat, untuck your toes. Looking up if it's okay for your neck. Breathing in, exhale. Tuck the toes, lift the right knee, step the left foot back to meet the right. Exhale, bring your knees to your mat. Come all the way down, elbows close to the body. Inhale for your cobra or up dog. Exhale. Tuck your toes. Inhale as you lift to the knees. Exhale. Stretch back to your downward facing dog. Inhale as you step the right foot forward. Exhale, releasing the left knee down to your mat. Untuck your toes. Looking up if you can, if your neck allows. Breathing in, exhale. Tuck the toes, lift the left knee, and big step up to your right foot. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, we're going to come all the way up, and exhale, hands to your heart. So we're going to do that one more time. Stepping into Tadasana, mountain pose. Bringing the hands to the heart center. Inhale as you stretch it up. Exhale, gentle back bend. Inhale up. Exhale as you fold forward. Relax your head. Bend your knees if you still need to. Palms flat on your mat. Step the right foot back. Lowering the right knee down. Untuck your toes. Looking up if you can. Coming back on your exhale, tuck the toes under, lift the right knee. Step the left foot back to your plank, lowering to the knees. Inhale here. Exhale as you lower down. Inhale for your cobra. Exhale, lower. Tuck the toes. Inhale as you lift up. Exhale, back to your downward facing dog. This time, stepping the right foot forward, left knee relaxes to the mat, untuck the toes. Looking up on your inhale if you can. Exhale, bringing the hands back to your mat. Untuck the left toes, lift the leg up, and then step up to the right foot. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, coming all the way up. Exhale, hands to your heart.